A century of hope and resilience began with people coming together, united by one vision. Anatolia College, born in Merzifon in 1886, found a new home in Thessaloniki in 1924, starting a new chapter in our enduring history. We reached out, sharing our legacy, echoed by voices that spread far beyond our walls. Through the eyes of our students, we captured fleeting moments on film, crystallizing dreams and aspirations in a moment of togetherness. Our youngest brought our history vividly to life, each artwork a heartfelt expression of what Anatolia means to them. Alumni returned by the hundreds, reconnecting and reminiscing on campus. Friendships renewed, reaffirming the bonds forged in our halls. Reunited, they shared laughter and stories, and the timeless spirit of Anatolia. We captured our dreams and hopes, sending symbols of our shared journey forward in time, preserving our legacy for future generations to discover. Together, we walk the paths of our history, feeling the pulse of Anatolia's enduring story beneath our feet. Our efforts culminated in a grand exhibition, exploring a century's vision where thousands were able to witness a testament to our continuing journey. Documenting this milestone, we turn pages of memory into bridges, connecting past, present, and future. We welcomed music to fill our hearts, celebrating unity and everlasting passion through sound. We rejoiced at our annual festive gathering, a tradition of giving that defines Anatolia. Your generosity and warmth reminded us that community truly is the greatest gift. Our story is etched into the city's skin. Every stone of Macedonia Hall is part of our tight-knit community, standing proudly as a beacon of our enduring spirit. In 2024, we explored our past, rediscovering ourselves. As we look to tomorrow, we pause to reflect. What have we accomplished? What can we still achieve together? With hearts full and eyes bright, we journey onward. Anatolia forever. Anatolia for I.